What's going on, guys? Let's see how we can calculate the volume of this function right here. So first of all, we have to draw the graph. Let's go ahead and apply the 0 for this y and see what we get. So let's put the 0. Then if I put the 0, this is going to be x. Also here I can take the x common. X, if I take x common, this is going to be 1 minus x square. And since this is 1 square minus x square, a square minus b square format, I can expand it as a plus b, a minus b. So this is going to be x times 1 plus x, 1 minus x, and that is equal to 0. So here I will get this one is equal to 0, and this one is equal to minus 1, this is going to be equal to plus 1. Now we can draw the graph. If we draw the graph, this is going to be something like this. So here, starting from 0 and finishing at 1, and this is going to be this shape right here, and we are going to draw a rectangle in the middle, and we need to find the r, and we have to write this one in terms of r in the height. R is the distance from the y-axis. Y-axis, this is r, and the height is going to be h. Also, this is equal to x, and this is equal to y. This height is equal to y. So now we can go ahead and write r is equal to x, h is equal to y, and here they are saying it's rotating around the y-axis. So whenever this is rotating around the y-axis, we have to write everything in terms of x. We are going to use this formula, that is b is equal to 2 phi integral of a to b rx hx dx. So we have to write everything in terms of x. Here we have h is equal to y. So I have to find a way to write this one in terms of x. If you look at this function right here, that is provided y is equal to x minus x cube. So I can replace this y with that value. So this is going to be x minus x cube. So now I can write everything in terms of x. So let's write everything in terms of x. So this is going to be v is equal to 2 phi, and this one is starting from 0 to 1. So it's going from 0 to 1, right? So this is going to be 0 to 1, and the rx is x. X multiplied by the height, that is h. I mean x times x cube dx. Now let's multiply everything. So this is going to be 0 to 1, 0 to 1, x square minus x to the power of 4 dx. Now this is easy to integrate, so let's do the integration. This is going to be x cubed divided by 3 minus x power 5 divided by 5, and it's from 0 to 1. And if I apply 1, this is going to be 2 phi times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. And if I apply 0 for these values, this will become 0, this will become 0. Like if I apply 0 for x, this will become 0, this will become 0. So the whole thing is 0. So therefore we can write this one as minus 0. Right? Now let's do the simplification of this one. So 2 phi, and here I can take 5 times 3, 15 as a common denominator. And if I take 15 common denominator, this is going to be 5 on top, and here we are going to have 3 on top. So this is going to be 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2 times 2 phi is going to be 4 phi divided by 50, and that is the final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.